changed everything about how websites are being built, and if you use it correctly, you can easily create beautiful designs in 5 minutes that you can sell for $4,000 plus. I actually already made well over $500,000 doing this with my agency, so in this video, I'm going to show you my exact step-by-step system to make professional websites in minutes, and exactly how to start selling those to businesses so you can make some serious cash. To start, I need to show you how to use AI to easily create websites that businesses will gladly pay thousands of dollars for. Okay, crafting $4,000 AI websites in literally 5 to 10 minutes. So step one is we need to gather the core inputs. So the business name, the city, service area, core services. So if it's landscaping, it could be lawn care, hardscaping. Ideal customer, so residential, commercial, premium. Key differentiators, so speed, guarantees, experience, eco-friendly. Then once you have that information, you're going to create the Lovable website prompt via ChatGPT. So this is a template you can use. So create a modern and high converting website for a landscaping business. You can have the business name, location, target audience, services, style, primary goal, and then you want to include certain sections. So like hero section with strong value driven headline, services overview, about section, social proof, clear CTAs, contact form. You can refine it by saying rewrite this to sound more premium, or optimize for local SEO, or shorten and simplify the copy. And this is a prompt that I've used quite a few times for cleaning companies here in London, which we were targeting a while ago. And this is the exact prompt that I was given ChatGPT. So if you want to screenshot this or pause, you can use it. So once you do that, you go to ChatGPT, you copy this entire prompt, and then you paste it into ChatGPT like so. And then you click enter, and ChatGPT will spit you out a prompt for Lovable. Now, while that loads, what we're going to do next is build the website in Lovable. So we're going to open Lovable, we're going to paste in the finalized prompt, and we're going to generate the site. We're then going to review the layout and content, and we're going to regenerate and edit sections based on what Lovable gives us. So here's the prompt that ChatGPT has given us. Look at the detail here. Like, this is pretty insane. This is like crazy. Like, look at the detail in this prompt. Anyway, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to copy this and we're going to go over to Lovable. You literally just insert it like that, and then you click enter. Now, I'm not going to do that right now because I've already done an example demo site for us, but that's literally what you do. And when you click demo, Lovable is going to buffer for about 5 minutes, and then it's going to spit you out something like this. So this is the website that we use for many, many demos. You can see it is pretty incredible, pretty insane. Like, AI just crafted this from literally nothing. They have a custom booking system. All of these tabs up the top are all custom. They have their own pages. They have their own pricing page. Like, this is really, really impressive. They have their own about page. And now it's not perfect. Obviously, some of it needs change, some of it needs optimized. But this is what it looks like on the back end. So I'm going to run you through what changes I made once the website actually had its first draft. So when they created the demo site, there was an issue when we scrolled down. So I asked Lovable to fix that issue and make the design much better and more minimalistic. It then did that, but it didn't do it to a good standard. So we asked it to make the hero banner a little bit more high, and it needs to look cleaner and responsive. And then we pasted in another prompt to try and get the button for the call to action to look a certain way. And then we replaced certain sections. So you can see like a bit of work went into this, but not that much. Like, this is not that much work. So have the look cleaner, have their great background here and there. Like, and then in case you're wondering why the spelling is a bit weird, this is my developer helped me with this, and he's French. So excuse the spelling mistakes. But yeah, this is what we did to have the demo looking good. You just go back and forth. So if you're not into web design or coding or any of that, it's literally just prompt based. You just tell it what you want it to do, and for the most part, it will do it. It's extremely simple. And then eventually you'll end up with something that looks like this. Super clean website, looks absolutely amazing, really, really good. And this can work perfectly for your demo calls. Then if we go back to our document, we've covered that. So we want to optimize for conversion. So improve the headlines, CTAs, rewrite descriptions, generate testimonials. We just showed you how to do that, or I just showed you how to do that. Then you can also do a local competitor website analysis. So this is what you're going to use on the sales call. So what we do before we get on the call, so let's say now the website's done. We have the website's killer, the website's ready to show them. So what we do is we use these 3 prompts on a custom GPT to run a full audit on their current website. So the first prompt is, this website gets clicks, but it's not converting. Insert the website URL. I want you to assess this like you're an SEO and web design veteran. Please send a full report with low conversions at the forefront of your assessment. Don't include emojis or M-dashes, and space it evenly so I can paste it into a Google Doc. Then prompt 2 is, you're now going to run a full SEO report including opportunities, keyword strategies, and anything else that you think would gain short-term and long-term wins. And then prompt 3 is, and this is the killer one, Now run a full SEO report on local competitors, analyze what the competitors are doing well and what we could emulate in order to compete on SEO rankings, make the headings of each section in bold. Now what that looks like on the back end on ChatGPT is, here's the prompt, here's the information it's going to give us, then we scroll down, here's the second prompt, so you can see we're literally just doing exactly what I showed you, and then when you put it into a Google Doc, it's going to look something like this. So you can see here, the first page is obviously for a company that we did this for. You can see what users are trying to do on their website, CRO audit, we're doing a local SEO audit, complete overview of their business. And this is not AI slop, this is custom to their business. This is really, really good stuff. We also have the SEO opportunities tab. So in this, we have keyword opportunities, we have on-page SEO opportunities, we have local SEO opportunities, so all custom to their business. And this is what you're going to run through with them on the call. And then we have competitor analysis. This is their favorite. This is what they always resonate really well with. All of these companies you see here, Apex Tree Removal, A1 Climbers, Bennett's Tree Service, these are all direct competitors of this company in their local community. So they recognize these companies. It looks like we've put a ton of work in. It looks like we've really, really done our research, which we have, just leveraging AI. And we look at what them competitors are doing well, how they're ranking, what we can take from them, what we can emulate from them in order to help them ranking. So if you're showing this business this report, this kind of information, this kind of detail, and then you go and show them the website that you've built out that's implementing all of this, obviously your close rate is going to go through the roof. And that's why we do it. And that's why our close rate is currently 57%. So all of this should be getting you really, really excited. And it's actually not that much work. You can do this in 10, 15 minutes when you get really good at it. Obviously, your first couple of times, it might take you 20, 30 minutes. But if you do this kind of preparation for the call, not only can you sell these websites for $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, you're going to put yourself in the best position to do so because you are crafting an audit report custom to their company, showing them why their current website is not cutting the mustard, why their current website is bad, how you can improve their current website, and then showing them a completely custom demo website that is implementing all of these things. So if you do this in front of enough people, you're going to close at a crazy rate. The only problem is knowing how to make these websites isn't going to make you money. You still need to find clients who actually pay you thousands of dollars for them. So make sure to watch this video next because it'll show you the laziest way to build a $500 per day AI web design agency in 2026 using the exact system that already made my agency $37,000 last month.